We're recording, yeah. We are recording. Something wrong with the audio. No, there's nothing wrong with the focus. I just toggled manually because what we're gonna do now, it's kinda crazy. Haha, haha. But I want to do it because I'm curious. I'm super curious. So this will be the Mi Band 4 water resistance test, stress test, light stress test, because I just want to understand if I can wash my hands without minding about it, because I cracked open, I walked on it, then I closed it, reopened that again. So oops, let's pull it. Here we are. I pulled it, just give it a clean, remove some crap. And that's it. So we're gonna do it. Kinda excited! Yeah, I know it sounds crazy as it is, but I want to check. I want to check my work. If I was pretty careful gluing it back. I want to see if this thing can handle some water. Soaking water, I mean, not such high pressure in water, just soaking. Let's see. So I already prepared this high-tech device, which will allow me to check for the correct working. So let's flip it in without hitting it too hard. As you can see, it's kinda in it. Yep. And let's do it. I want to see if some bubble come out or what. Let's do it. So now, as you can see, it's in the water. It's submerged. Don't know if I can turn it on while it's in the. Yep, it's on. Remove some bubbles. And as you can see, it's on in the water. I want to see, I'm curious, I want to see if it is synchronized or what. By the way, right now there are no bubble coming out, only the surface bubble. So I place my phone here, I start the Bluetooth, I start the Mi app, and let's see first if it can connect. Connecting, sensing. So as you can see, it's sensing, it's connected. As you can see on the device, which is submerged right now. It turned on again, maybe because the water is tickling. It's tickling his sensor for the touch. I'll try something because I want to do it. I want to find my band. I want to make it find band. Let's see. Oh, that's cute. Look at that. Look how it goes. Oh, sheep. It's so funny. It's super funny. I don't know, we'll let it there for a while. Okay, no more. I will close everything, remove the Bluetooth, so we can see the icon of the Bluetooth showing up. No more. No more showing up. Let's give it a check if it still works, because it doesn't answer to the touch of the button anymore, which is kind of funny. Let's see if the phone can connect. Yep, it's sensing. I'll go for another round of Find My Band. Yep, still going. So I will let it there, which is kind of funny. I let it there for a while. I just want to see. By the way, no bubble coming out, so no water coming in. As pressure, it's not the point of view. It's physics. If the water want to go in, the air have to go out. I let it there for a while. Meanwhile, sorry, I mind some of my business. Ta-ta-ra-ta-ta. Ba-ba-da-ba-ba. You're checking if check for me please if some bubble came out. I let it there for a while. Do 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 do. Sometimes you're gonna give it a shake just for sure that it still works, and it does. There's some sort of mirroring, strange. The water, yes, because of the glass. This is stripe right here. It must be because of the making procedure. Let it soak, let it soak, let it soak, let it soak. Let it soak, let it soak. Yeah, this is for let you see that I'm pretty serious in my job. I'm a Fisher Tech. No jokes around here. Oh, there's this. He's trying to read my pulses. Oh, look how it goes. Pretty stunning. So right now I think that it's going nicely, since that the glue it's keeping the water out nice and easy. I'll let it soak for a couple of minutes more, and then the test will be performed, and we see the result. I mean, we are seeing already the result. I like how it goes. Look it go. Yeah, the water is tickling the finger sensor. No bubbles coming out, no water going in. Freaking awesome. Freaking awesome. So I guess I can wash my hands without worrying about the band. No, where the fellas I placed here. Let it there for a while still. Yeah, that was fundamental for this result, the removing of the screen without damaging the outer ring, because if you damage the outer ring, for sure the sealing will not be possible. But as I was extremely careful, I can say that it seems that it's hanging on. No bubbles. You can see strange reflexes on the screen itself. Yeah. How kind. Sometimes it turns on just for showing us that it still works. So, I guess there was enough. I can be sure that if I want to wash my hands, I can do it safely without worrying to destroy anything. So I have to think where I can place this water, because I want to use it again. Where I can place it? I can place it. So fine, I think I let it in the jar, the water. So fine, I just got the top of this thing, so I can close it, and now I'll explain you why it's important to close it for preserve this water. I want to pick it up. Yep, that's it. Let me hear it. No sound of water inside. Just give it a dry. Place it back in this thing, thick, and just give it a fast check if it works properly. So I close the jar, put it aside, and perform a fast heartbeat check. Touchscreen still works perfectly. Let's see how it goes. To be working. Yeah, I'm pretty calm. Perfect. So I guess that if some water went in, we should see it here on the bottom on the crystal, but as you can see, there's nothing. There's no sign of water on the inside, which is pretty good. Now I show you why I wanted to close the... So I did not went full nuts by the brain. I mean, I wanted to check if the bubbles came out. I didn't want to damage if in fact the water was going in. So I used this, which is highly purified, as you can see, as you can read. It's highly purified water, FUE grade. That means that there is no stone in this water. It's totally stones free, and that means there's not conductive by the electricity. There's no conductive at all, which was some sort of fail-safe. You can see the phone works perfectly. Out of focus because of privacy, but it works perfectly. Nice. Haha, that was crazy. That was pretty crazy. But that had to be done. I had to check because I wanted to know if I can wash my hands safely or if I have to be careful. And now I know that I can go easy on it, not worrying about the water. Thank you for staying tuned. Bye. See you the next time.